What's up, guys? I'm here at Royal Crest Lanes for a singles tournament today with a bunch of added money. It's like their year-end Kansas City tournament, but I've been struggling recently on, the first couple games of a tournament. So today I am going to go in with a game plan, get warmed up before the practice session, and use that practice session to try and figure out the lanes instead of using the practice session to just kind of warm up. So hopefully the first couple games out the gate, unlike the last couple tournaments, hopefully the first couple games out the gate I can get some good reads on what I need to do on the lanes. So until then, I'll see you guys inside. All right, well, 236 game one. Not bad. Probably it's the middle score on my pair, but I had a pair with a lot of really good bowlers. So 236 game one, not a bad score. A better practice plan for sure. I think I just got to stick to hooking the purple hammer. I was gonna maybe try and go a little further left, play a little straighter, but the one that I did send left when I was playing a little straighter, just overhooked on me. So got to just step right and hook it. Game two incoming. All right, 226 game 2. Joe shot 260 again. So I was second high on the pair with 226. 3 7-pins and an 8-pin in the 10th. And then, yeah, not a bad game. Good start, first 2 games. Just gotta keep making good shots, keep hooking that purple hammer and praying on some strikes. Game 3 coming in. All right, well, we're done with game 3, 258 for me. Checking out the scores after game 2, they were pretty high. I think it was like 480 for the top 4, so I was a little behind pace. I should be in that top 4 spot now, but we got 3 more games to go and hopefully a lot of more strikes to throw. Well, after the purple hammer got 5 through the middle, I decided it's time to change. So we're throwing the double cross, first time in tournament play. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully it's less than a purple hammer and I can play a little harder and straighter with it. That's the goal. Because when I miss left and it bounces like that, I just don't like to see that. So something a little smoother off the spot hopefully keeps it in play. Game 5 coming in, game 4, I shot 203 with a missed 7-pin in the 10th, just not my best shot. Missed the spare because I was a little frustrated. Can't let it get to me, gotta move on for game 5. I'm going back to hooking it. Playing a little straighter was not the answer, so I gotta go back to hooking it with the purple hammer. And hopefully I can throw a couple more strikes and split a little less this game, so pray for me. 220 last game. I'm gonna be about 30 or 40 back of the top 4, which is what they cut to for the step ladder. So I'm gonna need one good game of at least 230 here. So I'm going with my purple hammer. I tested out that Black Widow in the fill. I'm going with my purple hammer, and I need it. I just need it to strike, and I need to make sure I make good shots for all 10 of these frames, not just, you know, 8 or 9 of them. I need to make good shots for all 10. So here we go. One game to go, 30 out.
Alright guys, so here's what's going on. Packy is plus a lot. He's in game 6 right now, about to step up for the 10th. Let's watch what happens. Pretty good. There is the boys. There's the boys.
All right, so we made it back to the room. We ended up 5th. I think I was 8 short. You know, I missed 2 spares that block, but it comes down to a lot of things. I just could have made better shots in the 10th some games. I could have made better reads. Plenty of things that could have added up to me getting those 8 pins and getting into that top 4 step ladder. Hopefully I'm going to take those things, you know, that warm-up, that practice plan that I implemented. I can take that onto tomorrow. I'm bowling doubles with Trevor Bumgarner tomorrow at the same bowling alley. So hopefully I can take a lot of those things that I learned today from bowling at Royal Crest and I can apply them tomorrow. Don't forget to smash that like button down below and follow along for more vlogs and challenge videos like this one. Peace.